Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to discuss how can we upload image file through URL using PHP Script with Ajax. We have already discussed how to upload image by using PHP with Ajax using form submit or without form submit. But we have not covered tutorial on upload image from URL using Ajax with PHP. So we have make this video tutorial, in which we have to just simply image URL into text box and click on upload button. After click on upload button, image will uploaded. So this way we can upload image from remote location using PHP with Ajax. Now let's start discussing this topic. So this is our index.php page, and on this page we have already included jQuery and Bootstrap library URL. On this page first we have write input type is equal to text with attribute name is equal to image URL and id is equal to image URL. Under this user can enter image URL. After this we have write input type is equal to button with attribute name, id and value is equal to upload. By clicking on this button user can upload image from URL. Now we have moved to write jQuery code, so here we have write $ with button id upload with click event, so when user click on upload button this block of code will execute. Under this first we have write image URL variable is equal to $ with text box id image URL with value method. This code will fetch value of image URL text box. Below this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write image URL value is equal to blank. If this condition true then it will execute if block, otherwise it will execute else block of code. Suppose image URL variable value is blank, then it will execute if block of code, and under this we have write alert with this message, so this message will be pop up if text box has no value. But suppose image URL text box has some value, then it will execute else block, and under this we have write $ with button id uploaded with attribute method with disabled. This code will disabled upload button when text box has some value. This for prevent to double click on upload button. First here we have defined one division tag with attribute id is equal to result. We will display uploaded image under this tag. Now we have start write Ajax request, and under this first we have write URL option set to upload.php. Here we have send request to this page. In second option we have write method. Under this option we can define which method we should use for send data to server, so here we have use post method. In third option we have write data, and under this option we can define which data we want send to server, so here we have write image URL variable. In fourth option we have write data type, and here we have defined JSON. Here we have defined JSON format, because we want to get data from server side in JSON format. In fifth option we have write before send callback function. This function has been called before Ajax request has been submitted. Under this function we have write $ with button id upload with value method, and under this we have write processing. This code will change button value. Lastly we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function we have write $ with text box id image URL with value method with blank value. This code will clear text box value. After this we have write $ with button id with value method, and under this we have write upload. This code will change button value to upload. Below this we have again write $with buttoned upload with attribute method with two argument like disabled and false. This code will remove disabled attribute from upload button. Now upload button will be clickable. Now we have write $with divisioned result with HTML method, and under this we have write data.image. This code will display uploaded image under this tag. Lastly we have write alert pop message, and under this we have write data.message. It will pop up alert message in browser which it has received from server. Now we have moved to write PHP code on upload.php file. So here first we have write if statement, and under condition we have write is set function with $post image URL variable. If this variable value set, then it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have defined $message and image variable with blank value. First we want to validate URL is proper or not, so we have write if statement, and under condition we have write filter var function with two argument like $post image URL variable and filter validate URL. This function will filter $post image URL variable value is valid URL or not. If it is valid then it will execute if block, otherwise it will execute else block. Suppose enter URL is not valid, then it will execute else block, and under this block we have write $message variable is equal to invalid URL. But suppose enter URL is proper, then it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have write $allowed extension variable is equal to image extension in array format. After this we have write $URL array variable is equal to explode function with two argument. In first argument we have write string delimiter slash, and in second argument we have write $post image URL variable. Here by using explode function we have make an array from URL and store into $URL array variable. Now we have write $image name variable is equal to end function, and under this we have write $URL array variable. By using this end function we can get last index of array which is image name. Same way here also we have write $image array variable is equal to explode function with two argument like dot and $image name variable. Here also we have convert image name text to array. Below this we have write $extension variable is equal to end function with $image array variable. By using this function can get extension of image. Now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write in array function with two argument like $extension variable and $allowed extension. This condition will check if URL image extension allowed in $allowed extension variable array. If it is available then it will execute if block of code, otherwise it will execute else block of code. Suppose extension not found in $allowed extension variable, then it will execute else block of code, and under this block we have write $message variable is equal to image not found. But suppose extension available, then it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have write $image data variable is equal to file get contents function with $post image URL variable. This function will reads entire file into a string and store into $image data variable. Now we have write $new image path variable is equal to upload folder / random function with $extension variable. Here we have make new image name will upload path. After this we have write file put contents function with two argument like $new image path variable and $image data variable. This file put contents function will write a string which we have stored in $image data variable to a file. That means it will make image file with define path and name. So this way we can download image from URL. Now we have write $message variable is equal to image uploaded. Below it we have write $image variable is equal to image tag with source attribute is equal to $new image path variable in which we have stored newly generated image path. Now we have write $output variable is equal to array with message key with value $message variable and image key with value $image variable. This way we have store output in array. Now we want to send this output in JSON format, so we have write echo statement with JSON encode function with $output variable. This function will convert PHP array to JSON string and send to Ajax request. So here our code is ready, so we have saved this code and check output in browser. Friends, here we can see when page has been loaded into browser, then we can see that one text box and upload button on web page. When we have directly click on upload button, then we have received alert message like please enter image URL. So first we have enter some text and click on upload button. After click on upload button, we have received alert message like invalid URL, so now we have enter valid URL but in this URL image not available. So we have click on upload button. After click on upload button, we have received error message like image not found. So here our validation rule working properly. Now we have enter proper image URL in which image is available, so now we have click on upload button. After click on upload button we have received error like image uploaded. And below we can see uploaded image. Now we have opened this image in new tab and check it is come from upload folder, so here we can see that image has been fetched from upload folder. So this way we can upload image from URL or from remote location by using simple PHP script with Ajax. If you have any query regarding this video tutorial part, please comment your query in comment box, and if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.